How you can download video from Twitter or X. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can download video from Twitter or the new X. So go ahead and open your Twitter or rather X. I've just to save time, guys, I've already navigated to a video I want to be downloading. This is an ad. So this is a Champions League video. So to download this video, you just have to click on the share icon that is showing below the video. As you can see, just beside the 3.1 million views, you can see there is a share icon. If you click the share icon, all you have to do, guys, is just to copy the link here. That's all I need you to do. So when I don't copy the link, this works both on iOS and Android. So when I don't copy the link, go ahead and open your browser. For my case, I'm using Safari. So if you're using Android, please go ahead and open your Chrome. So go ahead and search for Twitter video downloader in your browser. When you search for Twitter video downloader, click on search, and you're going to be seeing some website suggestion on your search bar, on your search menu. So guys, I would prefer you guys use this SS Twitter, but you can go ahead and use Save From or any of these browsers that is showing. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to click the first top browser that is showing me here, website. So when you click on SS Twitter, just go ahead and paste the link as requested. So you paste the link of the video you want to copy or you want to download. Click on download. When you click on download, it's going to take some few seconds. When it's done, just go ahead and click the size of the video you want to. So you can actually get the MP3 format of the video, or you can go ahead and download the video. So just to make this video fast, I'm going to be downloading a lower quality of the video just to do it fast. So you're going to be seeing an ad. Just go ahead and click the cancel, and your video is ready for download. So just click on download. So my video is done downloading. So if you're using Android, it should be appearing on your gallery. But if you're using iPhone, go ahead and just click on the video. When you click on the video, click on the share icon showing below the video. When you click on the share icon showing below the video, you can go ahead and just click save video, or click save to file if you want to save it to a file for further use. See you in the next video.